In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do a single arm dumbbell row, but we're going to be rowing with our elbow out at 90 degrees. So the whole purpose of this exercise is, as opposed to rowing where we keep the elbow in towards the side of the body, which is predominantly lats, we're going to be rowing with the elbow coming away from the body, which is going to be primarily the rear shoulder, so the posterior deltoid. The first thing I want you to do, I'm going to be rowing on my right side here. So because it's my right side, I'm going to bring my left hand and left knee in contact with the bench. One of the things for those of you with any wrist troubles is if you don't want to keep the palm completely flat, what you can do is you can use the ridge of the bench so you've got a more neutral position with your wrist. Bring your shoulder over your wrist and bring your knee underneath your hip. From here, you'll notice I've got my palm here of the right hand facing towards the right knee, and I'm going to bring my elbow out and away from the body, creating a 90-degree angle at my elbow. As you row and come out and away from the body, you should feel the rear shoulder, so back of the shoulder start to contract, and you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. Make sure you do all the same steps, exactly the same on the other side as well. So swap over your hands, same position, and exactly the same execution of the exercise where you're rowing out and away, keeping that 90-degree elbow at the top range of the motion. That's how to do a 90-degree single arm dumbbell row, and of course repeat the same amount of sets and repetitions on both sides.